Itahari, a burgeoning city in eastern Nepal, stands as a key junction between Bid- Bidatnagar and Dharan, with the Mahendra and Koshi highways intersecting here. Beyond its strategic location, the city boasts a growing hospitality scene that caters to a diverse range of travelers, from business visitors to families and transit guests, with options spanning budget guest houses to upscale resorts complete with pool and spas. Itahari offer a complete base infused with Nepali homes and modern convenience. The first one is Salty Western Itahari. Salty Western Itahari brings a touch of luxury to the city with refined rooms, a swimming pool, fitness center, sauna, and spa treatments. The staff receives high praise for their courteous hospitality, impeccable service, and attention to detail. Guests often highlight the sumptuous buffet breakfast and elegant interior. This hotel set the benchmark for upscale comfort in Itahari, ideal for both relaxation and business. The second one is Nepali Rika Hotel, Virat Chowk. Nestled just outside the city center, Nepali Rika Hotel offers serene surroundings and premium amenities like an outdoor pool, sauna, and well-appointed rooms featuring thoughtful decors and creature comfort. Guests appreciate the impeccable service and quality dining experience. The peaceful location make it perfect for travelers seeking tranquility without sacrificing access to the town. The third one is Hotel in Tourist Palace. Hotel in Tourist Palace stands out with its refined ambience and excellent guest reviews. Its elegantly designed rooms, attentive staff, and convenient central location make it a strong choice for travelers. Many visitors mention its balance of modern facilities with a cozy boutique feel. Whether you are a business or leisure, that this hotel excludes reliability and comfort. The fourth one is Gurukula Hotel and Lodge. Gurukula Hotel and Lodge offer home-like hospitality with clean, comfy rooms and helpful amenities including airport shuttles. Guests note the welcome staff and personalized service that make each day feel special. With pleasant common area and practical facilities, it is a favorite for families and solo travelers alike seeking approachable comfort. The fifth one is Gorakha Hotel. Gorakha Hotel provide practical accommodation with an emphasis on convenience. Rooms are tidy and functionally furnished, complemented by service such as free parking, laundry, and lounging storage. Its central location is ideal for navigating the city. With well-rated service and sensible pricing, it delivers a solid stay option for business and transit travelers. The next one is City Guest House and Family Restaurant. This cozy guest house doubles as a restaurant, offering home-cooked meals and family-friendly service. Its rooms are simple but comfortable, backed by attentive staff and budget-conscious pricing, with breakfast included and a central spot in town. It is a reliable pick for travelers looking for warmth and convenience wrapped into one. The next one is Chintan Chutari. Chintan Chutari is a quiet, well-kept hotel offering modest comfort and attentive service. The property includes basic facilities like Wi-Fi, garden area, and a cafe. Guests value the relaxed atmosphere and pragmatic amenities, particularly suitable for travelers seeking functionality without fuss. The next one is Hotel Fabine Inn. Hotel Fabine Inn delivers a clean mid-range stay with a lobby bar, free Wi-Fi, and 24 hours front desk service. Its rooms are modern and well maintained, and the service is quick and attentive. Guests appreciate the perfect balance of comfort, convenience, and fair pricing, a dependable option in the cityscape. The second last is Shangri-La Hotel. Shangri-La Hotel offers practical accommodation with simple rooms, free Wi-Fi, and private parking. Its on-site Indian restaurant gives travelers an in-house dining option. While basic in appearance, The location is convenient and it provides worry-free stays with essential comforts. The last one is Yara Hotel. Yara Hotel caters well to families with its terrace, laundry service, and welcoming environment. Its rooms are modest yet comfortable, and the staff is considered friendly and accommodating. Centrally positioned, it suits those who want easy access to local attractions without a high price tag. While Itahari may be a developing city, its area of hotel reflects both its vibrancy and hospitality. Whether you are after luxurious relaxation, practical budget stays, or a family-oriented lodging, you will find a welcoming option here. Each property showcases Nepali warmth and convenience, making every visit to Itahari both restful and memorable.